ॐ येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। इन उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम 42nd shloka. We saw the shloka and the anvaya. So the discussion was that chaya or abhasa is satyam. Why? Because what are the reasons? Why chaya is satyam?
One is it is considered the entity so that nobody should cross actually. If it is crossed, then it is considered as an entity. Second thing is this sweetness.
Madhurya. So first one he has already refuted that just because there is nishedha for crossing does not mean it is satyam. Now, madhuryadi cha yat karyam ushna dravyadi asevanat. You are feeling coolness because you are not eating anything hot. That's why you are cool. Chhayayaha na tu adrishtatvad apam evacha darshanat. Chhayayan na. It is not the dharma of chaya. What is not the dharma of chaya? Madhurya. Why? Because adrishtatvat, it is not seen there. Then it's dharma of what? Apam. Madhuryam is the dharma of apam. Means it is the guna of jala. Chaya. See the tika. Chayayam upavishtasya yan madhuryadi karyam drishyate. Tad ushna dravyadi asevanat nimittat natu chhayayaha hetu bhutayaha tan madhuryadi karya. If a person is in the shade, chhayayam upavishta, then madhuryadi karyam yadrishyate. It is only because of tad ushna dravyadi asevanat. Ushna dravya asevanam tan nimittat. Natu chhayayaha hetu bhutayaha. That madhuryadi karya. Madhurya karya is not of the chaya. Kuto adrishtatvat, because it is not seen. Not seen means there is vyabhichara in this. How vyabhichara he shows. तातप्यमान शीलाकूट छायायाम माधुर्यादेर दर्शनात् अपाम एवच दर्शनात्. तातप्यमान शीलाकूट. If there is a big rock which is very well heated, in the shade also you will feel hot. Tatapyamana is यंगंत प्रयोग. तातप्यमान शीलाकूट means a rock, huge rock. In the shade of that, madhuryadehe adarsanat. Madhurya is not seen. Apam evacha darshanat. It is seen only in apam, jala. Ayam dharma तासु एव अव्यभिचारात्. तासु तासु पुत्र
Apsu.
अप्सु. तासु अप्सु एव दर्शनात्. Avyabhichar, because there is no vyabhichara. Elsewhere, if there is any vyabhichara, then that means it is not the dharma of those things. अतः छायायाम उपविष्टस्य निवृत्त आतप. You can make that two khandakar there just for easy reading. निवृत्त आतप संसर्गस्य स्वाभाविकस्य. निवृत्त आतप संसर्ग means you understand, right? When there is no association with the heat. अतः छायायाम उपविष्टस्य निवृत्त आतप संसर्गस्य स्वाभाविकस्य उदक माधुर्य अभिव्यक्तौ छाया मधुरा इति विभ्रमः इत्यर्थः. When a person disassociates himself or herself from the atapa and is seated in chaya, swabhavikasya udaka madhurya abhivyakti. Udaka madhurya could be in two ways. One is the water inside the body gives you coolness. So if your body has enough water, then you will feel cool. If the body has dehydration, you will not. Second is, if there is water on the body, like in the form of sweat, etc., that will give you coolness. So coolness comes from the water, whether it is inside or outside the body. Udaka madhuri abhivyaktau chaya madhura iti vibrama. Then the bhranti is, the chaya is madhura. Okay, here, mukhya bindu is, main point is that we want to understand abhasa is not an entity. Okay, we don't need to go too much into where is the madhurya. Some vyabhichara is there, that is enough. Tadevam yatha mukham tada bhasas tada ashrayascha tad ashrayascha इति एते त्रयो व्यवहार दृष्ट्या विभक्त्या अवभासन्ते न परमार्थ दृष्ट्या. तद एवं यथा मुखम 1, आभास 2, तद आश्रय 3. Three things are there. Mukha, mukhabhasa, mukhabhasa ashraya. Mukhabhasa ashraya will be adarsha, darpana. These three. Trayascha, एते त्रयो व्यवहार दृष्ट्या विभक्त्या विभक्ता. From vyavaharic standpoint, there are three different entities. Mukha, mukhabhasa, ashraya. Avabhasante, na paramartha drishtya, not from paramartha standpoint. Tatha atma tad abhasas tad ashrayascha iti arthatrayam मिथो विलक्षणम गम्यते व्यवहार दृष्ट्या इति. व्यवहार दृष्ट्या आत्मा, आत्मा आभास, आत्मा आभास आश्रय. आत्मा आभास मीन्स चिदाभास. आत्मा आभास आश्रय मीन्स अहंकार और अंतःकरण. इति अर्थत्रयम मिथो विलक्षणम, परस्पर दे आर विलक्षण, डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. गम्यते, ज्ञायते व्यवहार दृष्ट्या इति दार्ष्टान्तिकम आह. आत्मा भासाश्रयाश्चैवं मुखाभासाश्रया यथा गम्यन्ते शास्त्रयुक्तिभ्या माभासा सत्वमेव च। आत्मा भासाश्रयाश्चैवं मुखाभासाश्रया यथा गम्यन्ते शास्त्रयुक्तिभ्या माभासा सत्वमेव च। आत्मा च आभासश्च आश्रयश्च इति आत्माभासाश्रयाः द्वंद्व समास। आत्मा आभास एंड आश्रय एवं यथा जस्ट एज मुखाभासाश्रयाः गम्यन्ते। वन सेंटेंस। देन शास्त्रयुक्तिभ्याम आभास असत्वमेव च गम्यते। गम्यते आभास शास्त्रयुक्तिभ्याम असत्वम एव गम्यते। That आभास is unreal. This is what is understood through Shastra and Yukti. Through Shastra, that some quotations are given here to show that they are different entities, basically. Because these quotations that are given here, they are not saying Abhasa is Asatva directly. Let us see the quotations also. In other words, there are three entities, okay? When I say I, how often do I recognize that in I there are three entities? Then Viveka should be done there. Whole idea of Viveka is in this. So if I am not in Aham, if my whole thinking throughout the day is Idam, this, that, here, there, go, do this, that, where am I going to dwell on? Atma and Abhasa. Nivritti Dharma is for this. Then you can ask, Ahamayam Kuto Bhavati. Otherwise, Idam Kutra Agata. Because everything then is about Idam only. Here, everything is on Aham. See the Tika now. Atma. What is Atma? Tvam pada lakshya. Chiddhatuhu. Tasya. Anadi avidya tatkarya pratibimbitataya. Tad upadhisthatva vaishishtyam. Jivatvam. Okay, let us take one at a time. First is Atma, which is Tvam pada lakshyartha. And it is Chiddhatu, means Chaitanya Matra. Then Tasya Anadi Avidya Tat Karya Pratibimbitataya. Tad Upadhis Tattva Vaishishtyam Jivatvam is Abhasa. What is Chidabhasa? This whole thing is about Chidabhasa. Sometimes Chidabhasa is discussed as Chaitanya Pratibimba in Avidya. And sometimes Chidabhasa is discussed as Chaitanya Pratibimba in
Antakarna.
Antakarana, Avidya, Karya. In Advaita Siddhi, in the current topic that is going on, both of these are discussed in Pratikarma Vyavastha Prakarana. So, Avidya Pratibimba, if you take, Avidya is one. So, Jiva will be one. Eka Jiva Vada. If you take Antakarana Pratibimba, Antakaranas are many. So, then there will be Bahujiva. Those acharyas who take many avidyas also, because their point will be the person who has avidya, only his avidya is gone. The rest of the people are still ignorant. So they will say there are many avidyas. And some acharya will say there is one avidya. When your avidya is gone, who else is there? Whose avidya? Who else is ignorant? Which other jiva? Because sarvam brahmamayam there. So different ways people have looked at. That's why this Tikakara, in Siddhanta Bindu, we will see many of these points. Those who are attending that. So here he says avidya or tat karya you should take. Avidya tat karya pratibimbitataya. See, antakarana pratibimba you will have to accept. Why? Because from Vyavaharik standpoint, there are many jivas or many antakaranas, let us say. So that you will have to accommodate. But they are not jivas, they are only antakarana. Like in Swapna. Avidya tat karya pratibimbitataya tad upadhisthatva vaishishyam. That in those upadhi, avidya upadhi or antakarana upadhi, that vaishishyam will come, that is jivatvam. It is abhasa, that is chidabhasa. And avidya tat karya upadhi is the ashraya. In upadhi also he takes both. Avidya, avidya karya, means antakarana also. Iti tvam padartha. This is, whole thing is tvam padartha. Tvam pada lakshyartha, upadhi, lakshyartha has to be there in it. Upadhistha chidabhasa. For chidabhasa, what is the name he has given? Jivatvam. Jivatvam abhasa. That is mostly considered as jiva in Shastra. When you don't include lakshyartha and the upadhi, but you just mention chidabhasa, that is mukhya artha of jiva. But it is not separately available. But when we say the jiva is transmigrating, Mamaivamsho jiva loke, jiva bhutasana, and it goes from manashasthani indriyani prakritisthani karshati, shariram yadavap. Then who is that? So all that applies to this chidabhasa who is existing with the ashraya. And vachyartha is all three together. Shastra yuktibhyam iti. Rupam rupam pratirupo babhuva tadasya rupam pratichakshanaya. In Brihadaranyaka it is given. In Madhu Brahmana 2519, and also it's there in Kathopanishad. Agnir yathaiko bhavanam pravishtaha rupam rupam pratirupo babhuva. Then Indro Mayabhi Pururupa Iyate. This is also Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Same, 2519. So here Indra means Brahman. Here Indra is Brahma, not Raja Indra. Mayabhihi. Mayabhihi means you can take avidya, karya. अविद्या और अविद्या कार्य. दिहि मीन बहुवचन. पुरुरूप means bahurupa. Iyate, grinati. So Paramatma, with the help of avidya or with the help of Maya, takes many forms. Which is the first udaharan also is that Rupam Rupam Pratirupa Bhavu. Then Anishaya Shochati Muhyamanaha. This is Mundaka. Vasuparna Sayuja Sakhaya Samanam Bhaksham Parishashvajate Tayoranya Pipalam Swadvati Anashnananyo Abhichakashiti. Then next.
समाने वृक्षे पुरुषो निमग्नो अनीशया शोचति मुह्यमानः जुष्टं यदा पश्यत्यन्यमस्य महिमानमिति वीतशोकः
जुष्टम यदा पश्यत्यन्यमीशम मस्य महिमानम इति वीतशोक. Anishaya. Anishaya means helpless. Because of helplessness, Muhyamanaha Shochati. The one who has moha will have shoka. A guarantee. This much guarantee is given in Shastra. If you have moha, you will suffer. You cannot escape suffering. Muhyamanaha Shochati. Because Muhyamana will feel, I am Parichinna, I am in, Muhyamana is in Paristhiti-vada always. All they want to do is change this Paristhiti, that Paristhiti. Changing Paristhiti, how long you will handle? Ityadi Shrutehe. Eko Vashi Sarvabhutantaratma Ekam Rupam Bahudhaya Karoti Tamatmastham Yenu Pashyanti Dhiraha Tesham Shanti Shashvati Netaresham. Ityadi Shrutesha. What are these Shrutis trying to show?
One appearing as many. Pratibimba.
This is the main idea. One appearing as many means there is one Atman, many Abhasa, in many Ashraya. So he is showing that they are three distinct. Atma is there, Abhasas are there, Ashrayas are all to be many. In those many, when one appears to be many. So his point is proved. The previous point was that they are mutually different, the three entities. So that is being proved through Shruti and Yukti. Tatha, Yukti I think is giving now. Buddhyader Vishayantarasya Agamapayino Drishyasya Nitya Siddha Sakshad Atmani Adhyasa Vyatirekena Spurana Sattayor Anupapattehe Ityadi Yuktesha Pratyagatmana Ekasyaiva Sattvam Abhasader Sattvam Paramartha Sattva Bhavasya Gamyate Nishchiyate Ityartha. तथा बुद्ध्यादेहे विषयांतरस्य आगमापायिनः दृश्यस्य. So this is बुद्ध्यादि विचार विषय. Vishayantar means they are different Vishaya. Anyaha, Anyo Vishaya, Vishayantaram. Anya Vishaya means they are not like Ghata, Pata, etc. But they are Vishaya. And they are Agamapayi. Agamapayitvam is there. They have Drishyatvam. Vishayantarasya Agamapayinaha Drishyasya Samanadikarana. Nitya Siddha Sakshad Atmani Adhyasa Atirekena. Atma will become Adhisthana. Which Atma? Nitya Siddha Sakshad Atma. In that Buddhyadehe Adhyasa Vyatirekena. Other than this Adhyasa, What will not happen? Sphurana sattayor anupapattehe. Sphuranam cha satta cha iti spurana sattayoh or spurana satte tayoh spurana sattayoh. Spurana and satta. Spurana means Chaitanya aspect. Satta means existence aspect. Yasyaiva spuranam sadatmakam. Spuranam sat. Two he Bhagwan Bhashyakar gives there. Spuranam and sat. Spurana saptayor anupapattehe. In Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, there is a shloka on this Spurana Satta. Let me see if I can bring it. स्वात्मन्यनस्तमय संविधिकल्पितस्य व्योमादि सर्वजगतः प्रददाति सत्ताम् स्फूर्तिं स्वकीयमहसा वितनोति साक्षात् यद् ब्रह्म तत्त्वमसि केवल बोधमात्रम्. 778 shloka number. So in that it is said, the Guru is giving Upadesha there that this entire Jagat, Vyomadi Sarva Jagataha, Sattam Sfurtim Pradadati. So Sattam Pradadati, Sfurtim Vitanoti. Two Kriya Padas are given. This Chaitanya gives his Satta, its Satta to Jagat. And Sfurti, Vitanoti. Sfurti means Chaitanya. That Brahma I am. Guru says, Yad Brahma Tattvamasi Kevala Bodhamatram. You are Bodhamatra. Jnana Swarupa. So all those shlokas are for meditation actually. 776, 7, 8, not 776, 777 onwards. 8, 9, 80, 81. 5 shlokas. All the last padas are Yad Brahma Tattvamasi Kevala Bodhamatram. And they have the same tune as Pratasmarami. So those who like meditation shlokas, then they can use these Pratasmarami like tune, these 5 of them. So their buddhi, etc., their adhyasa is there in Nitya Siddha Sakshad Atma. Without adhyasa, Sphurana and Satta in buddhi, Janami would not happen. Because Janami Titameva Bhantam Anubhati. First, Satta Sphurti is in Atma, then Tameva Bhantam Anubhati Sarvam in Buddhyadi. Ityadi Yuktescha. This is the Yukti. By that, Pratyagatmanaha ekasyaiva sattvam abhasadehe asatvam paramartha sattva abhavasya gamyate nishchiyate ityarthaha. By this, Yukti, Pratyagatma is one. Pratyagatmanaha ekasyaiva sattvam. It is one and it is real. Abhasadi, many, asatvam. Why? Paramartha sattva abhavasya. Why Paramartha Sattva Abhav? Because they have borrowed Chaitanya, borrowed Satta. Because of adhyasa it is there. Like Rajju Sarpa has borrowed existence. So the day when I understand this ahankara has borrowed existence, ahankara has borrowed chaitanya, it's not real. Then understand I am getting somewhere. Nanu एवं सति त्वन्मते संसार मोक्षयोर आश्रयाभावाद अनुपपत्तिरेव नहीं आत्म आभास तद आश्रयाणाम अन्यतमस्य मिलितानां वा संसारादि आश्रयत्वं घटत इति शंकते. ननु एवं सति, this being the case, त्वन्मते according to you, पूर्व पक्षी is telling सिद्धांति, संसार मोक्षयो हो आश्रय अभावात. Samsara and moksha, what is the ashraya? That is the question. Ashraya abhavat anupapatti. Anupapatti means there is no samsara, there is no moksha. Why? Because we are not able to establish who will be the ashraya of these two, samsara and moksha. Anupapatti hi eva. Nahi atma tad abhasa tad ashrayanam अन्यतमस्य मिलितानां वा. Neither atma nor chidabhasa nor its ashraya ahankara or one of them or all of them put together. Anyatamasya militanam va. Samsaradi ashrayatvam ghatate. Who will be the ashraya of samsara? This, none of the three can be ashraya of samsara. Purvapakshi is doing shanka. So next shloka is Purvapaksha shloka. Nadrishe ravikaritva dabhasasyapya vastutah nachitittvadahankartuhu kasya samsarita bhavet. नदृशे रविकारित्वादाभासस्याप्य वस्तुतः नाचितित्वादहंकर्तुः कस्य संसारिता भवेत्. न दृशेः अविकारित्वात्. न दृशेः किम? संसारादि आश्रयत्वम. संसार मोक्षयोः आश्रयत्वम. दृशि में दृष्टा. दृशेः संसारादि आश्रयत्वम न अविकारित्वात्, because it is अविकारी. So that is not possible. Okay. आभासस्याप्य वस्तुतः, and आभास is also अवस्तु. आभासस्य अपि avastutvat. Chidabhasa is avastu. So Chidabhasa cannot be ashraya. Okay. Na ahankartuhu. Na ahankartuhu samsarah. Why? Achititvat. Ahankara is not ashraya of samsara or moksha, because it is jada, achiti, achetana. So atma cannot be ashraya because it is avikari. Chidabhasa cannot be ashraya because it is avastu. Ahankar cannot be ashraya because it is jada. See, for ahankar he doesn't say avastu, but for Chidabhasa he says avastu. Like Mukha and Darpana, two entities are there, but third entity shows up. And that's why he used that Drishtanta and established that Chidabhasa is only an entity which just appears there. So then kasya samsarita bhavet? Then who will have samsara? टीका संसारो नाम ज्ञातृत्व कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्वादि लक्षणों विकार रूप उपचयस तद आत्यंतिक अपचयश्च मोक्षः तथा च ताभ्याम क्रमेण संबध्यमानो विकारी स्यात् तत्र दृश्ये चैतन्यैकरसस्यापि न संसारिता भवेत् इति संबंधः. संसार, व्हाट इज संसार? दिस इज संसार डेफिनेशन. ज्ञातृत्व कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्वादि लक्षणों विकार रूपः. दिस मच इज. और यू जस्ट से ज्ञातृत्व कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्वादि लक्षण है. इन वेदांत सार दे हैव गिवन ओनली टू, कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्वादि लक्षणों संस्कार संसार है. ज्ञातृत्व यू कैन ऐड, इट इज सेम थिंग. विकार रूपः, एंड इट इज ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ विकार. विकार रूपः. उपचयः तद आत्यंतिक अपचयश्च मोक्षः. उपचय means growth and आत्यंतिक अपचय. So samsara definition is up to upachaya. Samsaro नाम विकार रूप उपचय. Growing. What is that? Growing ज्ञातृत्व, growing कर्तृत्व, growing भोक्तृत्व आदि. And bigger jnata, bigger karta, bhokta, all of that is samsara. Its atyantika apachaya, total elimination, is moksha. Mean, don't think in this way, huh? That Swamiji, this much kartritva is remaining now. This much kartritva. It is not like that. Snake can be this big. It's mithyatva, I have to understand, that's all. It doesn't have to become thin. So, atyantika apachaya means it's mithyatva. It's moksha. तथा च ताभ्याम क्रमेण संबध्यमानो विकारी. ताभ्याम संसार मोक्षाभ्याम और उपचय अपचयाभ्याम, ज्ञातृत्वादि उपचय अपचयाभ्याम क्रमेण संबध्यमान. The one who has first samsara then moksha, this krama, that fellow will be vikari, sambadhyamana. कर्तरि शानच विकारी स्यात्. तत्र दृशेश चैतन्यैकरसस्यापि न संसारिता भवेत् इति संबंधः. तत्र दृशे है, there of the drashta which is chaitanya ekarasa, that drashta cannot be samsari because he is avikari. तत्र हेतुः अविकारित्वात् इति कूटस्थत्वाद इत्यर्थः. So कूटस्थ वस्तु cannot be आश्रय of any changing dharma. कूटस्थ वस्तु, because if dharma changes, dharmi will also change. If dharma has vikara, dharmi will have vikara. So we accept avikari dharma in avikari dharmi first. Then we say dharma dharmi sambandha is not there. It is gauna prayoga of dharma and dharmi in Brahma. So Brahma and Satyam, they are not two entities in this way. Tatha, further now for abhasa. Abhasasyapi na samsarita bhave iti. Purva nakaram adaya anvayah. In the shloka, nadrishe ravikaritvat आभासस्याप्य वस्तुतः न, that you have to understand. आभासस्य अपि न, कस्मात्? अवस्तुतः. आभासस्य अपि अवस्तुत्वात् न संसारिता. So न will go with that also. आभासस्यापि न संसारिता भवेत् इति पूर्व नकारम आदाय अन्वय. You have to bring the first nakara and do the अन्वय. तत्र हेतुः अवस्तुतः. हेतु is अवस्तुत्व इति. पूर्वोक्त युक्त्या तस्य अवस्तुत्व निश्चयात् अवस्तुनः शून्यस्य न कोपि अतिशय संभव इत्यर्थः. By the पूर्वोक्त युक्ति तस्य अवस्तुत्व निश्चयात्. Once avastutva nishchaya is there, which we already did in the earlier shlokas, avastunah shunyasya न कोपि अतिशय संभव. इन अवस्तु और शून्य वस्तु कोई any धर्म, कोपि अतिशय means any धर्म, any attribute is not possible in शून्य. अहंकर्तुः अहंकारस्य आभास आश्रयत्वेन अभिमतस्य अचितित्वात् जड़त्वात् न संसारिता भवेत्. अहंकर्तुः means of the अहंकारस्य आभास आश्रयत्वेन अभिमतस्य, the one which is thought of as आभास आश्रय. So he uses अहंकार. अचितित्वात् जड़त्वात् न संसारिता भवेत्. It is jada, it is not chaitanya, therefore it cannot be samsari, because the anubhava is jada vastu cannot have samsara. Table and chair, they don't become dukhi, they don't become sukhi, they don't have the sense of bandhana, they will never think they are mukta. So jada vastu cannot be ashraya of sukha dukha, bandha moksha, etc. So now where is, so individually the three, Atma, Abhasa, Ahankara, none of them have samsara. The moment you say they are together, the only way they can be together is Adhyasa. Adhyasa means erroneous thinking that I have mixed up something and something I am thinking which is not real. नहीं ज्ञातृत्व सुख दुखादि भोक्तृत्व स्वरूपस्य संसारस्य जड़ाश्रयत्व संभवः. ज्ञातृत्व is not possible in jada. सुख दुखादि भोक्तृत्व and स्वस्वरूपस्य संसारस्य जड़ आश्रयत्व, none of this is possible in jada. जड़ाश्रयत्व संभव न. अतः तु अतः त्वन्मते कस्य संसारिता भवेन् मोक्षो वा इति च योज्यम्. So according to your mata, who has samsarita, who will have moksha, you will have to do yojana. Means you will have to show where does it fall. न कस्यापि इति वदतो अनुभव विरोध इति अभिप्राय. If the Siddhanti says, no, it doesn't belong to anyone, it will be contradiction to anubhava. That I am samsari, this is anubhava of everybody. But in that I, three entities are there, which we saw, and it doesn't belong to any one of them. This is the abhipraya. सिद्धांति यदि एवं अनिरूपिताश्रयौ संसार मोक्षौ तर्हि मा भूतां परमार्थः कस्यापि इति परिहरति. सिद्धांति परिहरति. यदि एवं अनिरूपित आश्रयौ samsara moksha. In this way, if we are not able to establish what is the ashraya of samsara moksha, then tarhi ma bhutam paramarthah kasyapi. Then none of them are paramartha. Samsara and moksha. Neither of them are armarthika. Why can't we say that? Ma bhutam paramarthah kasyapi iti pariharati. So parihara will be done. Avidya matra eva atah samsarostva vivekatah kutasthenatmana nitya matmavanatmani vasah. Avidya matra eva atah samsarostva vivekatah kutasthenatmana nitya atmavanatmani vasah. So what is the reality? Avidya is samsara. We are not saying there is no samsara. We say because of avidya, this mix-up is there. Avidya matra eva atah samsaraha. Samsaro astu avivekatah. It is because of aviveka. Kutasthena atmana nityam atmavan atmani iva saha. Avidya takes the satta of atma and proves I am really there. Then because of avidya, all these bandhana, moksha, all dharmas, they appear. They all are atmani iva. Samsaro, saha means saha samsaraha asti, avabhasate. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।